Insurance traps that are stealing $26,500 from you. Stop everything! Are you paying for car insurance? Then you're being robbed. I'm going to show you 7 traps that have already cost you thousands of dollars. And you didn't even realize it. 82% of drivers fall into at least one of these. And look, it's not your fault. The insurance companies want you not to know about this. You are losing $26,500, the deadly minimum insurance trap. Trap number 1, the minimum insurance. And this one destroys lives. Do you know Mark? 32 years old, Chicago. Honest worker. He only paid the minimum insurance to save money. 25, 50, 25. It all seems like just numbers, right? $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident, $25,000 for the property. One day, bam. He crashed into a brand new BMW. Huge numbers appear. Car destroyed, $65,000 driver in the hospital, $45,000 total, $110,000. His insurance paid $50,000, and the other $60,000 out of his own pocket in installments. For 10 years, he saved $40 a month on insurance, and now he pays $500 a month in debt. Loss, $60,000, and there's worse. Trap 2, the loyalty that robs you. Trap 2. Trap number 2, the lie of loyalty. This makes me angry. Insurance companies say, be loyal, get discounts. Lie, look what happened to Lisa, 45 years old. Same insurance company for 12 years. She thought she was a VIP client. She paid $185 a month. One day, out of curiosity, she requested a quote from another company. Do you know how much it was? $98. 98. She was paying almost double. Lisa paid $185 month. Could pay $98 month. Difference, $87 month. In 12 years, $12,128 lost. $12,000. For being loyal, insurance companies profit from your laziness. Loyal clients pay 37% more. And look, there's worse. The franchise fraud. Trap 3. The low franchise fraud. This one is diabolical. When you buy insurance, they ask $250 or $1,000 deductible. Everyone chooses $250, right? Ah, if I crash, I pay less. Wrong. Let me show you the dirty math they hide. $250 deductible. You pay $175 month per year, $2,100 in case of an accident. You pay $250, $1,000 deductible. You pay $125 month per year, $1,500 in case of an accident. You pay $1,000 annual difference, $600. To save $750 on the deductible, you pay $600 more per year. It only pays off if you crash the car twice a year. And if you crash, your rate skyrockets. 40% the following year. You pay $250 in deductible, and you'll pay $800 more in premiums for 3 years. $250 plus $800 makes 3, and $2,650 in loss to repair $800 worth of damage. False savings, 600-year loss. But wait, there's worse. Discounts you don't get. Trap 4. The hidden discounts. This one will make you furious. Insurance companies advertise, we have 25 types of discounts. There's a dirty secret. You have to ask. They don't apply them automatically. 87% of people don't get the discounts they deserve. Meet James. He discovered he was entitled to good student, son with A averages, low mileage automatic payment. New car closed garage teacher, his profession. Number appears big. Total savings, $742 per year. He called the insurance company. Why have you never given me these discounts? Sir, the customer needs to request them. Seriously? They simply charge you extra if you don't ask. Yes, for years. Loss, up to 700 a year, and there's more. The car rental scam, trap 5. The car rental scam. You're going on a trip, you rent a car, the attendant smiles. Want full protection, only $35 a day. You think, well, it's security, and accept. Wrong. You just threw $245 in the trash. Let me tell you about Maria. 10-day trip, paid $35 a day, I'm $350. 3 icons appear, but she already had. Her car insurance covers rental. Credit card covers rental. Travel insurance covers rental. She paid 3 times for the same coverage, $350 thrown away, because she didn't know she was already covered. 90% of policies already cover rent, and most credit cards also cover it. Loss, $245, $700 per trip, but the next one is worse. The punishment for being a victim. Trap 6. Punished for being a victim. This is outrageous. Laura is stopped at a red light. Suddenly, bam! An idiot hits her from behind. 100% his fault. She files a claim with her insurance company because it's faster. 3 months later. Your rate increased by 23%, she calls furious. It wasn't my fault. Any accident increases the risk. How is that possible? She did nothing. 62% of insurance companies increase rates for no-fault accidents before. 150 month after. 184 month for 3 to 5 years. Total, $1,224. $2,040 a penalty. She was a victim and paid a $2,000 fine for being run over. It's like getting a ticket because your car was stolen. Victim plus penalty, $2,000. And the last one is the worst of all. The disaster of insufficient coverage. Trap 7, the worst, and this one destroys lives. Remember Mark from the beginning? This is 100 times worse. Imagine, you cause a serious accident. 3 people are injured. 1 becomes paraplegic. Medical treatment. $2.5 million loss of income. $3 million pain and suffering. $1.5 million total. $7 million. And your insurance? 100, 300, 100. Maximum $300,000. You are sued for $6.7 million. They can take your house, your savings, your salary, your retirement, everything you've built. Shocking statistic, 42,795 lawsuits over 1 million in 2024. 42,000. A family destroyed. Your life destroyed. Everything lost. For lack of coverage that costs $0.54 per day, less than a coffee. Risk. Losing everything. Powerful cliffhanger. Look, if you're scared now, you should be. These 7 traps have already cost you thousands. Minimum insurance, $60,000 in risk. Fake loyalty, $12,000 lost. Wrong deductible, 600-year discounts. 700-year rental, $350 per trip. No fault, $2,000 low coverage. Millions at risk. Total, $26,500 plus lost. But I'm not going to let you down. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to escape each of these traps. Step by step, no messing around. But first, 1, save this video now. You'll want to watch it again. 2, tag that friend who's being robbed without knowing it. 3, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Because next week, there are more financial traps that no one tells you about. Go ahead, watch the next video. Save those $26,500. You deserve that money in your pocket. Not theirs. Let's go. Next video, how to escape the 7 traps. Subscribe plus.